Hello recommenders, this is Romeo from recommendationbook.com, and today I want to make a conversation about Slipjoint knives because judging by my last videos, I think a lot of people may think I only use knives with locks, particularly the triad lock. Judging by my last videos, people may think I only like the triad lock, but I also like slipjoint knives. And today I want to talk about slipjoint knives. So here I have all my slip joints in my collection. I have here two folders here from the Canivete da Roça cutler. Have one folder here from, I don't know from what cutler this folder is. I have two Tramontinas, she's here, two Tramontinas. Just two here are Tramontinas. This one here is a Brasfort, a Bianchi folder, a Victorinox, a Harness folder, and a Sanremo. They are all slip joint knives. Now sometimes I think with myself, why not carry a slip joint knife? Because my EDC folder is the cold steel Recon with the triad lock, and sometimes I think with myself, why not carry a slip joint knife? And I think with myself, if I could do everything I do with a slip joint knife. Just a minute, because the cat of my mother is the cat of my mother is getting the video. Let me remove the cat from the room. I come back in 1 second, just a second. Sorry for that. That was the cat of my mother. But yes, sometimes I think with myself, why not use a good old slip joint knife? And I was thinking the other day, and I think that 99% of the tasks I need a knife for, I could do with a slip joint knife. 99% of the tasks I use a knife for, I could use a knife without any lock. But the EDC is a philosophy of preparation. And I wanna have a knife with a lock, because if I ever need to hardly use my knives, I'm gonna have a knife with a lock, and not any lock but the triad lock. So I wanna be prepared for a situation. If I need a knife with a lock, I'm gonna have a strong lock on my knife. But I could use a slip joint for 99% of the tasks I use a knife for. And one thing I like about slip joints, about brazen slip joints, is that their blades are very thin. So they are a very good slicer. Let me give you a rundown for the knives on the table. Here I have a Tramontina slip joint knife. This here is called pica-fumo in Portuguese. Slip joint translates to pica-fumo in Portuguese. Here I have a slip joint from a company called Brasfort. brass forge. Here I have a slip joint from Canivete da Roça Cutler. Here I have a folder similar to this one here. I don't know from what company this one here is. It's a slip joint. Here I have a Victorinox Classic SG. Probably my favorite on the table. The harness lark, my EDC, my current EDC, the sun remove. Here is the model number, let me see. Here is the model number. I have a review for this knife here on my channel. Here I have a folder from a brazen company called Bianchi. Very sharp, one of my sharpest knives. Here I have a folder from Tramontina, a slip joint from Tramontina. This one here is thicker for a slip joint. And here I have a folder from the Canivete da Roça Cutler, their barbecue folder. It's oil, peraí, just a minute. I like slip joints too. I use this slip joint here inside my EDC bag. I use this slip joint here. And one thing I like about these slip joints here in Brazil, they are very, very affordable here in Brazil, it's slip joints. So, like for example, this slip joint here costs about $6. This slip joints here. Here in Brazil costs about $6. $5-6. So it's a very good knife, very sharp knife, very sharp, very smooth opening. This slip joint here in particular. And it's a very good slicer. And I think that 99% of the tasks I use a knife for, I could use a slip joint like this. Well, so this is it for this conversation. I also like slip joints, not only the triad lock. I think in 99% of the tasks you use a knife for, you could use with a slip joint. But I prefer a knife with a lock because I want to be prepared for that 1% situation. Well, so this is it for this conversation. Thanks for watching and see you later.